Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sophie and Daniel English. Do you ever feel nervous when you have to speak English in real life, maybe at a bakery or asking for help? Well, today we are going to make it very easy and very fun for you.
Hello, Sophie, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. I am so excited for today. Speaking practice is truly the best way to learn.
I agree completely. How are you today, Daniel? Did you have a good start to your morning?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had a nice long walk in the park and a big glass of fresh orange juice. I feel very fresh.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I just had some green tea, but now I am fully ready to talk.
Perfect. So, tell me, what is our main topic for today's episode?
Today, we are practicing real-life conversations. We want to show our listeners how to talk in simple, everyday situations.
Oh, like shopping or meeting friends? That is very useful for everyone.
Exactly. But first, a small request for our friends watching.
Yes. If you enjoy learning with us, please take a second to click that like button right now.
And don't forget to subscribe to Sophie and Daniel English. It really helps us create more videos for you.
Share it with a friend, too. Okay, let's start. Where is our first situation, Sophie?
Okay, Daniel, let's start with our very first situation. Everyone loves food, so let's go to a bakery. I love the smell of fresh bread.
Me too. It's the best smell in the world. Okay, you be the shop assistant, and I will be the very hungry customer.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Golden Bakery. How can I help you today?
Hi there. I would like to buy some bread, please.
Of course. We have white bread, brown bread, and garlic bread. Which one do you like?
Oh, garlic bread? Oh, that sounds delicious. I'll take one loaf, please.
Great choice. Anything else? We also have fresh chocolate muffins today.
Chocolate muffins? Oh, yes. I'll take 2 of those, please. I cannot say no to chocolate.
No problem at all. So 1 garlic bread and 2 chocolate muffins. Is that all for you?
Yes, that's everything. Inquisitive. How much is the total?
That will be $9, please.
Here you go. $10.
Thank you. And here is $1 change. Have a sweet day.
Thank you. You too. Bye.
And that was our first scene. Daniel, you did a great job.
Thanks, Sophie. It felt very natural. Let's look at the important phrases here. First, I used, I would like to buy. This is much more polite than saying, I want.
Exactly. And notice how I asked anything else? Shopkeepers always ask this to see if you want more items. Also, remember the phrase, how much is the total? It's the perfect way to ask for the final price.
Very true. Okay, now let's leave the bakery and move to our next situation. We're going from food to shopping.
Yes, for this second scene, I am the customer. I want to buy a special gift for my sister.
Hello, welcome to our shop. Can I assist you with anything today?
Hi, yes, please. I am looking for a nice notebook or perhaps a diary.
We have some beautiful leather diaries right here. What color does she like?
She absolutely loves purple. Do you have it in purple?
Let me check. Ah, yes. Look at this. Here is a dark purple one. It's very popular.
Oh, wow! It's perfect. She will love it. How much does it cost?
It is $12. Would you like me to gift wrap it for you?
Yes, please. That would be very kind of you.
No problem at all. Give me just 1 minute. Here it is, all ready for her.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Have a great celebration with your sister.
Shopping can be fun when you know the right words. I used the phrase, I am looking for. Use this whenever you enter a shop and need help finding something.
And I used, can I assist you, which is a professional way of saying, can I help you? Also notice gift wrap. That's a very useful word during the holidays or birthdays.
Great points. Now let's change the scene again. Imagine you are in a new city and you don't know where to go. Our third situation is asking for directions.
Oh, I remember being lost in London once. It was actually quite scary.
The secret trick is always to start with, "Excuse me." Let's practice.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. I'm looking for the city library.
The library? Oh, you are very close. It's just around the corner.
Really? Oh, thank goodness. Which way should I go?
Just walk straight past the supermarket and then turn right at the traffic lights.
Past the supermarket and then turn right. Got it.
Yes, you will see a big blue building. That's the library.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
No problem at all. Have a productive day of reading. Being lost is okay if you can ask for help clearly. Daniel asked, "Which way should I go?" This is a direct and simple way to get a path.
And your instructions were very clear. Go straight and turn right. These are the most common words for directions. Don't forget around the corner, which means it is very near.
Exactly. Now that we found the library, let's look at something different. What if you meet someone for the first time? Our fourth situation is meeting a new person.
Okay, Sophie, we are moving from directions to something even more exciting. Let's imagine we are at a social event. Our fourth situation is meeting a new person for the first time.
Oh, I get nervous too. But remember, simple questions are the key to breaking the ice. Let's try.
Hello, I'm Daniel. What's your name?
Hi, Daniel. I'm Sophie. It's very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sophie. Do you live near here?
No, I am just visiting for the weekend. And you?
I live in the next town. What do you do for work, Sophie?
I am a teacher. I love helping students. What about you?
I am a photographer. I love taking pictures of nature.
Wow, that is so interesting. We should talk more later.
Definitely. See? That was a real conversation.
That was a great start. Notice the phrases we used. What's your name? And it's nice to meet you. These are essential for any first meeting.
And I asked, what do you do for work? This is the most common way to ask about someone's job in a casual way. It keeps the conversation moving.
Exactly. Now, once you know someone's name and job, you usually talk about what they love to do. So let's move to situation 5, talking about hobbies. Hobbies are the best thing to talk about because everyone has something they enjoy.
I agree. So, Sophie, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I love to read books and play the piano.
The piano? That is amazing. I love music.
Thank you. What about you, Daniel? What are your hobbies?
I like to go hiking and cook new recipes. I love spicy food.
Maybe you can cook for me one day.
I would love to. It's a deal.
Talking about hobbies is so easy. Just use the question, what do you do in your free time?
Or simply ask, what are your hobbies? When Sophie said she plays the piano, I used an active listening response like, that is amazing. This makes the other person feel good.
Very important point, Daniel. Now, since we know we both like hiking, why don't we do it together? Let's look at situation 6, making plans. Let's make a plan to go hiking then.
Okay, are you free on Saturday morning?
Saturday. No, I'm sorry. I am busy on Saturday. I have to visit my aunt.
Oh, no problem at all. What about Sunday afternoon?
Sunday is perfect. I am free all day.
Great. Let's meet at the park entrance at 2 p.m.
2 p.m. at the park. I'll be there.
I'm looking forward to it. See you then.
Planning is all about checking availability. Daniel asked, "Are you free on?" If you are not, it's okay to say, "I'm sorry, I'm busy."
But always try to offer another day, like I did with What About Sunday? And we finished by confirming the time and place with Let's meet at. Clear and simple.
Perfect. Now, we have one last situation that everyone talks about, especially when there's nothing else to say. Our final topic is situation 7, the weather.
Yes, the classic. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
It really is. So sunny and warm. I hope it doesn't rain later.
Me too. I actually forgot my umbrella at home today.
Well, let's hope the sun stays out for us. It's perfect for a walk.
The weather is the easiest conversation starter. You can just say, it's a beautiful day, or it's so cold today.
Exactly. It's a safe topic. Well, Daniel, we have covered 7 different situations today.
Wow. Yes, we really did. From buying bread to making plans and talking about the rain.
The secret, dear listeners, is to not be afraid of making mistakes. People are usually very kind and want to help you.
Just smile and be polite. Use please and thank you. It makes a huge difference.
Well, our time is up. I really enjoyed our chat today, Daniel.
Me too. And to our listeners, don't forget our question of the day. Tell us in the comments, where do you feel most nervous speaking English?
We love reading your stories. Thank you for watching Sophie and Daniel English.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.